Hey friends, do you know why eating healthily greatly helps our immune system? This is because when we eat junk food, our bodies have to work very hard at digesting and processing them, leaving behind very little energy to fight virus invasion around us. They are overworked. On the other hand, if we choose to eat healthy food that are easy on our digestive system, very little effort is required to work on it, leaving our immune system with lots of energy to deal with invaders. Moreover, nutrient-dense food also provide our immune system with ammunitions like vitamin C, D, zinc to fight bad guys. Today, I would like to share my favorite nutrient-dense, delicious dinner recipe. It is easy on the digestive system. This is my typical dinner. I eat this at least 2 to 3 times a week. It's also super quick and easy to put together. Come on, let's get started on the coconut steamboat.
This recipe uses just coconut water as the soup base. Coconut water contains lauric acid, which can help increase our body's immune systems and fight viral infections. Almost all vegetables can be used as ingredients for steamboat. Here are some suggestions. Be generous with ginger and onions for their antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. Radish dissolves phlegm and treats respiratory disorders. Celery sodium cluster salts binds, neutralizes, and flushes toxins out of the liver. Mushrooms contains selenium, which prevents damage to cells and tissues. Do save and use the roots of the coriander because it adds depth to the flavor of the soup. A variety of our favorite colorful vegetables for nutrients and antioxidants. Enjoy arranging and rearranging the ingredients attractively in a bowl. My protein choices are bean proteins and proteins containing essential fatty acids like oily fish. Hormone-free and antibiotic-free whenever possible. Eggs are a great source of protein too. For dipping sauce, garlic and chili are excellent choices for they are antimicrobial and kills bacteria. Bring the coconut water to a boil. Add salt and pepper to taste. We can add some herbs if we like. I'm adding some goji berries for additional vitamin A.
So I hope you will consider making coconut steamboat for your family. I like to use different varieties of vegetables, root vegetables, and lean protein. Sometimes I keep it vegetarian so that it doesn't get boring. I serve them with different dipping sauce, example homemade chili sauce or sesame sauce. Thanks for viewing. Everyone has a calling in life, and mine is to make healthy living simple, achievable, and affordable for everyone.